Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this video I'll be demonstrating a process by which if you want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So the main motto of any application is customized application. So according to your needs, the customized thing can be achieved. So we are using functions to achieve those tasks. So you can use this particular function. So functions begins with an equal to sign and then convert. So we are converting this 32 degrees Celsius, which is of Kolkata. It's in Celsius, and I want to convert it to Fahrenheit. So F. Let me close the braces and press enter. Now just drag all the way across to the down, and we are having this data. So what I'll be doing is that I need to just open Google Chrome and see whether the values are in order or not. So it's Kolkata 32. So it's 32. Yeah, it's the 89.6. Then again 45. It's 113. Again it's 23. And it's 73.4. If it's Russia, it's 16 and it's 60.8. So that's all for this short video, in which we have achieved a task that Excel, a customized application, a customized task can be achieved through Excel of converting temperature. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.